How to remove payment method on Best Buy. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove payment on Best Buy. To remove payment on Best Buy, first of all you need to open your Chrome browser or any other preferred web browser. In the browser, on the search bar, you need to type in bestbuy.com. After entering this keyword, press the Go button at the bottom right of your keyboard. Once you tap on it, now you will be taken to the official website of Best Buy. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you need to tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Once doing that, you will be taken to this page. From here, you need to find payment method option. Scroll down and find payment methods. You will find this option under account settings. Once you find the option, you need to tap on it to open it. Now under it, you will see the list of payment methods like debit cards, credit cards that you have added previously. I haven't added any payment method here, so there isn't any payment method available on my account. But if you have added your payment method previously, then you need to first select the type of payment method you would like to remove. At the right side, next to it, you will be able to see the remove button or the delete button. You need to tap on that button and you will need to confirm the deletion. After that, you will be able to remove your payment method on Best Buy. So by following these steps, you should be able to remove your payment method on Best Buy. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.